Understanding Device Drivers. Simplified for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of technology: device drivers. If you've ever wondered what makes your computer's hardware work smoothly with its software, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of device drivers and uncover their mysteries. Device drivers are essential components of a computer system. They act as a bridge between the hardware and the software. Think of them as translators. They translate software commands into language that hardware devices understand. Without device drivers, your computer wouldn't know how to use its webcam, printer, or even the keyboard. Every hardware device in your computer, like a sound card or a printer, requires a specific driver to function. When a software program needs to use a hardware device, it sends a command. The device driver receives this command, translates it, and tells the hardware how to respond. This process is what makes it possible for you to do things like print a document or play a game. There are various types of device drivers, each tailored for specific hardware. For instance, there are printer drivers, display drivers, and audio drivers. Each one is specialized to communicate effectively with the corresponding hardware. It's like having different translators for different languages. Keeping device drivers updated is crucial for your computer's performance and security. Manufacturers often release updates to improve functionality or fix issues. Installing and updating drivers can usually be done through the operating system or by downloading software from the manufacturer's website. Device drivers are the unsung heroes of our computer systems, silently ensuring that our hardware and software communicate effectively. Understanding what they are and how they work is key to appreciating how our computers function. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.